Hi everyone! In this video, we're going to build an awesome LED chaser circuit. It's a fun and practical electronics project, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. So without any further delay, let's get started. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads. The complete component list and circuit diagram are available in the description below. First, let's connect 8 LEDs. Now connect the anode of the first LED to the cathode of the 8th LED. Next, connect the anode of the second LED to the cathode of the 7th LED. Then connect the anode of the third LED to the cathode of the 6th LED. After that, connect the anode of the 4th LED to the cathode of the 5th LED. Now reverse the sequence. Connect the anode of the 5th LED to the cathode of the 4th LED, the anode of the 6th LED to the cathode of the 3rd LED, the anode of the 7th LED to the cathode of the 2nd LED, and finally the anode of the 8th LED to the cathode of the 1st LED. Next, we'll connect the CD4049 IC. Connect pins 1 and 3 together. Pin 8 goes to ground. Pins 15 and 16 connect to the positive supply. Now connect pin 14 to the cathode of the 4th LED, pin 13 to the cathode of the 3rd LED, pin 12 to the cathode of the 2nd LED, and pin 11 to the cathode of the 1st LED. Now take a 470 ohm resistor and connect one end to pin 4 of the IC and the other end to the anode of the first LED. Next, connect another 470 ohm resistor from pin 5 of the IC to the anode of the second LED. Then connect a third 470 ohm resistor from pin 6 of the IC to the anode of the third LED. After that, connect one more 470 ohm resistor from pin 7 of the IC to the anode of the 4th LED. Now let's add the BC547 transistor. Connect pin 1 of the transistor to pin 2 of the IC and connect pin 3 to ground. Next, connect a 10 kilo ohm resistor to pin 2 of the transistor. Now connect a 1N4148 diode. Connect the anode of the diode to pin 9 of the IC and connect the cathode to the remaining end of the 10 kilo ohm resistor. After that, connect another 10 kilo ohm resistor. One end goes to pin 2 of the IC and the other end connects to the positive supply. Now we'll set up the 555 timer IC. Connect pin 1 to ground. Connect pins 2 and 6 together. Then connect pins 4 and 8 to the positive supply. Next, connect a 100 ohm resistor from pin 3 of the 555 timer IC to pin 1 of the CD4049 IC. Now connect a 4.7 kilo ohm resistor from pin 7 of the 555 timer IC to the positive supply. Next, connect a 10 kilo ohm potentiometer. Connect the center pin and one side pin to pin 2 of the 555 timer IC and connect the remaining pin to pin 7 of the 555 timer IC. Now connect a 10 microfarad capacitor. The positive terminal goes to pin 2 of the 555 timer IC and the negative terminal goes to ground. After that, connect a 100 microfarad capacitor. The positive terminal goes to the positive supply, and the negative terminal goes to ground. Finally, connect a 100 nanofarad capacitor between the positive supply and ground. All the connections are now complete. Let's power up the circuit and test the project. Thanks for watching. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this build. For more electronics projects like this, stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video.